So frustrating. You charge your phone all night long and it still dies in the middle of the day. Well, we're going to fix that. Make sure and stick around to the end. I have a bonus tip that during my research I found that even surprised me. But hey, we're going to jump into the 7 iPhone battery tricks that I bet you didn't know. Let's get to it. Number 1, you want to manage apps that are draining your battery. If there's apps that are draining your battery and you're not even using them, then we want to delete those. Let me show you how to check that. Click on Settings, scroll down to Battery. When you get down to Battery, it's going to show you 24 hours as well as the last 10 days. Take a look at both of those. And what you want to do is scroll down and you want to look at these apps. If there's any apps that are on here that you don't use, but they're taking up your battery, then you want to delete those. Number 2, we're going to limit the apps that are using Bluetooth. Typically what's happening in the background, there's apps that you don't even know of that are connecting to Bluetooth in order to basically track your location. And I'm going to show you how to check that. Let's jump into it. Click on Settings, scroll down to Privacy, and from here you want to scroll down to Bluetooth. These are all of the apps that are currently using Bluetooth in the background. And I'm even a little surprised at some of these that absolutely should not be running. So you can save some battery just by toggling these off. Next, we're going to limit when and how often the apps are accessing your location. You're going to be a little surprised here. This is great both for your privacy and to help save battery life. So let me show you how to do that. Click on Settings, scroll down to Privacy, click on Location Services, scroll down, and these are all of the apps that are using your location. Shut those off, or you can also change whether it's always, never, or when you're using the app. Look at each one. Hey, if you're getting value, if you like this video, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment down below if you're having any battery issues. Maybe I can help answer. All right, let's jump into the next tip. Now, number 4 is you want to turn on Wi-Fi whenever possible. This will definitely help save battery life. Also, make sure and download the latest iOS update. And I'll tell you, with the challenges of the iOS updates, I probably wouldn't do it right away. I would wait just a little bit, maybe a week, to make sure that some of the bugs are worked out and it's getting good reviews. Watch my channel. I typically review those within a week. But let me show you exactly how to do both of those. Click on Settings. And right here you'll see Wi-Fi, and just click there to turn it on. Pretty simple. And then for software update, as you can see, I have not downloaded 15.2 yet. It's been about a week. I'm going to be downloading that tonight. Number 5, turn on optimized battery charging. If you want your battery to stay healthy for longer, this is an important step to take. Let me show you exactly how to do that. Click on Settings, scroll down to Battery. From here, click on Battery Health, and then all the way at the bottom is Optimized Battery Charging. Make sure and toggle this on. As it says below, it'll reduce battery aging, and the iPhone learns from your daily charging routine, so it'll finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. Okay, we're at tip number 6, and this is a big one. You want to limit the apps that are refreshing in the background. Typically, they're automatically updating, they're checking email, they're accessing locations, and all of these things can drain a lot of battery. Now, you have to decide whether you want them all shut off. That'll definitely affect how your phone will be used. I don't recommend that, but you're going to certainly want to toggle off the ones that you don't use that are refreshing and draining that battery. Let me show you how to do that. Click on Settings. From here, you want to click on General and scroll down to Background App Refresh. Click that. And wow, as you can see, I have a lot of these turned on that absolutely should not be. So go through and turn these off, and it'll have a significant impact on your battery life, just like it says here at the top from Apple. Number 7, avoid using Google Chrome. It actually has a reputation of being a battery hog. Using Safari instead, it's a native Apple app, will definitely help with battery drainage. Now, I will tell you that if you're at home on Wi-Fi and you just love Google Chrome, that it's probably not as much of an issue. But if you are out wandering around, you're not on Wi-Fi, you're using your cellular data, then I definitely recommend that you use Safari instead of Google Chrome to help, once again, with your battery life. Okay, it's time for that bonus trick that I promised you in the beginning. And I have to be honest, this one even surprised me at how simple it is. When you take your iPhone and you lay it down face up, every time you get a notification, the screen lights up, and that drains the battery. And all you have to do is simply take your iPhone and put it face down every time you put it down, and then the phone knows that and it won't light up. And that can have a huge impact on your battery if you're getting a lot of notifications throughout the day. If you like this video, right up above me is a playlist of all of the iPhone tricks that I bet you didn't know. I think you'll be able to use your phone quite a bit faster, save battery life, and learn some really cool tricks with your iPhone. So check that out. Once again, thanks for watching, and make it a great day.